Hey guys, what's up? Me and Mason are trying to get people to honk.
I'm gonna do some slow-mo.
Mason's doing a slow-mo. I thought we were getting people to honk. Honk, honk! Honk! Beep, beep! Beep, beep!
Hey! Beep, beep! Beep, 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 beep!
Beep, beep! Honk! Honk, you idiot! Honk, you idiot! Honk, you idiot! God. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I got mad because they're an idiot. Honk, honk! 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 Yeah! You gotta cut honk!
I'm gonna do a celebration. Let's go!
Let's go! I'm gonna throw this piece of ice! Yeah!
Kaden, look. Kaden, look.
Is
Ready?
that too dark?
Okay, look.
Is that good or is it too dark?
That's good.
Are you gonna start your video now?
Yeah,
Car, honk, honk! Honk, honk! Honk, honk on one car. Honk! Honk, honk! Honk! Idiot! How old was he? Let's play. What kind of car is that? What kind of car is that?
Oh no.
I'm trying to. Honk! 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 Black Nissan. A black Nissan. No, Mason couldn't get it. I tried my best, Mason. I tried my best, but it didn't let me. Oh god, that's a little too bright. Honk! Honk, honk! Beep! Beep you! Yeah! A little late!
We gotta beep, guys, in 10 seconds.
Tell me if there's another car. I'm trying to.
Okay, now I'm gonna do some slow-mos.
I'm adjusting my brightness.
Look how good the camera is. Ready?
My camera's kind of good.
Record this. Ready? Slow-mo. Whee! Oh!
Oh god! I thought that was gonna hit the stone! Hold on, show my video to slow-mo.
Okay, let's see it.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh!
Ooh! Yo, Mason, get your phone out. Start recording a video. Honk, honk! Mason, start recording a video for your YouTube channel. Record a video for your YouTube channel. Because I start early. I always start early. Honk, honk! Honk, honk! Beep! Beep, beep! How old are you? Beep, beep! Beep! Dumb idiot. Why does that gray Chevy keep going in and out? Honk, honk! Honk, honk! A blue Subaru Outback. Is that Outback? Pretty sure. Yo, that gray Chevy is annoying me. It keeps going in and out.
Me too. Don't ask what I'm doing.
I got sorry guys. Got a new case. Mason, honk honk! Honk honk! Honk honk! Honk honk! Yeah, this car's gone by 2 times. Honk honk! That car's gone by about 2 times now. That's a black. Yo, that black Mason. That black Honda keeps going by. Like, going by 2 times.
One day.
One day.
One day.
Another day, another save. Another day, another save.
Madison Day.
I'm not sure if that song's copyrighted.
I need to see the after. Wait, show me.
Wait, is Pop Out copyright?
Huh?
Is Pop Out copyright?
How?
Can I get copyrighted for singing Pop Out? No, okay. I won't sing it. Anyways, I'll sing it in my Pop Out party. Sure.
Doing, doing, doing.
No one cares, Luda! I said no one cares, Luda.
I can see you. I can see you. Get on here, buddy. So here. Stop recording me!
I can turn to Karen called cops for no reason. You're recording me.
I'm not. I'm not even recording.
Karen.
Hey!
Why is there a gift card in your case?
Don't ask.
There's a gift. What's it
Josh.
for? What's it for? What is it for?
It's $50 Visa.
Huh? What's Visa?
Visa, it's like a credit card. Debit card.
Well, I'm not gonna edit music into this one because they have to listen to the honks.
Yeah, but there's no honks going on. I'm gonna throw my phone.
No music is going. That got so close to the cement when it hit the ground and rolled. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. I'll unpause it when we get a car. Still waiting about 5 minutes later. Still waiting 10 minutes later. Car coming. I swear, if that car turns, not turning, can't see over the hill. No, guys, I'm gonna post this video. Car again. Bruh. Car. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Pause it again. Car. I swear, if this one doesn't beep, I'm gonna go crazy. Beep, beep. Honk. Yeah! Pause it until we get next car. Ford! You're Ford! You know what to do! You stupid Ford! I'm pausing the video. Bike, get in the hog! This bike guy's been going by for so long. Honk! Do bikes have a horn? Honk! Does it not have a horn or something? No, I'm pausing. Guys, I'm unpausing the video right now because that guy's been going like up and down. I'm serious, like up and down. Okay, I'm pausing the video. Alright, he's coming back. Yo! You're about hit when there's a car. Bro, stop trying to act cool. Honk! You're like 20 years old! How are you trying? Oh my god, do I just start judging people? Yo, honk! Fine. You're a Nissan, you know, hold on. Bro, there's a 12. Yeah, bro! Car, honk! What kind of car is that? Honk! What kind of car is that? I know him. Name. Hold on, I'm pausing. Hell, at least a PS5 would cheer me up if no one honks. Yes, guys, I'm getting a PS5 today. Honk! Ford! Stupid Ford. Sorry. Yo. Guys, peace out. Me and Mason are stopping the video because no one wants to honk. Yo, say something.
May I have your attention, please?
Peace.